I was checking that whether I'm ready to go to party during summers during daytime, but no, I'm not ready because I forgot to apply my favorite and the most important skincare product. That is sunscreen. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Namrata, and I am here to review one of my recent purchases from a local brand, which is Do More Always. That is always. And I have come across this brand recently and I ordered the sunscreen. I've been using it since 7 days and I am loving it. So I thought of making this sweet cute little video to tell you all, review this product and tell you its benefits, and the most important, it is local, made in India. Yes, and as you all know, I am a huge fan of and supporter of local brands. Vocal for local is my mantra. So here I am to support this brand, and please, you should also try this. I'm going to review it, show you how you can use it, apply it, and if you've not watched my sunscreen series, you can watch them on my channel. They are super short, 30 seconds video, so you can easily watch. And if you're new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button, please. So we will continue watching this. So yes, I was telling you about this product. So I've ordered two products from this site. Today I'm going to review the sunscreen. I've ordered for myself a face wash and sunscreen, and the main advantage of this is, usually, you know, my friends, my subscribers, my followers on Instagram always complain that the sunscreens, which is the most important, you know, skincare product, which is to not to be missed throughout the year, and that is why it is so, you know, high, at a higher price. They are sometimes unaffordable for general people who, you know, usually earn little, and they find it really hard to, you know, expend on something sunscreen, and they are usually starting with 600 rupees. But trust me, this is very affordable. It is not high on your pocket. You can easily afford it. So quickly I'll show you what is in this pouch. And see, they have sent me this pouch. It is what I liked about it is this pouch, I can use it, and it is sustainable also. So let's do the unboxing. So this is the brand from which I ordered, Always, and Do More Always. And what a beautiful quote it's written. They told me I couldn't, that's why I did, by Michael Jordan. And this pouch is so cute, it's super handy. And see, they have sent me these cute coffee beans also. And so these two products I ordered, face wash and my most favorite skincare product, that is sunscreen. So this is, I'm quickly telling you, this is SPF 50 plus with vitamin B5. I've never seen means what all sunscreens I've used. I've never used the sunscreen which is infused with vitamin B5, but this one is. So it is highly, you know, moisturizing also, hydrating also. So quickly I will tell you what's inside. Okay, and this is the face wash. This is the main key ingredients are neem, aloe vera. As you all know, neem is very good for oily skin people, those who face pimples. Aloe vera again is a good moisturizing agent, and Arabica coffee oil to bring that glow and youthfulness to your skin. So quickly let's start. So these are the two products which I ordered, and guess what, this brand is local and it is cruelty free, paraben free. So today I'm going to review about this sunscreen. Hey guys, I'm back, and you know what, I'm getting late for the party, but still I thought of reviewing this for all of you. So these two products I've ordered, as I've told you, and I really find them very, you know, effective. They are affordable, effective, and they are made in India. So India is progressing, and we Indians should support fellow brothers and sisters. So now quickly I am telling you what's all inside this sunscreen. So it is SPF 50. As you all know, SPF 50, you know, protects it. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen. It protects you from UVA and UVB rays. SPF 50 again from infrared rays also, and it is infused with vitamin B5, so it is highly moisturizing also. And the rates, you can check on the website. I received it for around 400 rupees. Just check it, between 300 to 400. You should check it on the website. I'll mention the link below. Okay, and I have used this also, but I like both the products. But as you all know, sunscreen is my favorite. So you can you can easily buy this combo for yourself also, and you will love it. You can check on the website. There are many other products, body wash, coffee shots, and many more. But as I was my sunscreen was getting finished, so I found this brand. I thought of giving it a shot, and I really loved it. Now let me tell you, the key ingredients of this is, it's mainly a chemical sunscreen. So the role of chemical sunscreen, it absorbs all the UV rays inside your skin and convert it into heat and then transfer it back to the environment. So it gives you full coverage. So now I'm going to tell you how you should apply it. So for the sunscreen, just open it, and 3-finger rule. If you've not seen, you should definitely see my video shorts. Just take it, and here and here, these three dots. Okay, and just apply it on your face. It will not give your face that tinted appearance which usually people complain of. And don't forget your neck, your hands also, and just apply it generously. And guess what, you have to apply it after every 2 hours. Yes, sunscreen effectiveness goes away. Any sunscreen effectiveness goes away after 2 hours, so you should apply it just these, like I have told you, after every 2 hours. And remember, if you're going for a swim or if you're sweating out, then you have to apply it immediately after you come for swim. See, there is no white cast on my face. My face is glowing, and it's very hydrating, moisturizing. It's good for all skin types, not oily. It is non-comedogenic, so it does not cause any acne or pimples. As I told you, it is a chemical sunscreen, so it will give you full face coverage, no white cast, nothing. Just use it and thank me later. And just check out the description details. Okay, so I was going to tell you that why sunscreen is the most important product in skincare, because it protects you from all the UV rays, and these UV rays are mainly responsible for causing those fine lines, wrinkles. So forget all the DIY remedies, forget all the other products. If you're not using sunscreen, then all those home remedies, all the DIY which I tell on my channel also, all these other skincare, face wash, serum, vitamin C serum, all retinol, all these things will go in vain if you're not using sunscreen. So sunscreen is a must buy, and throughout the year, may it be raining, may you are going for a swimming, whether it's winters, whether it's summers, whether it's rainy season, you have to use it. Just don't forget sunscreen. So I hope you loved this review. If you've got any questions, just let me know in the comment section, and you can follow me on Instagram also, same name, Dr. Namrata Small Makeovers. I'm gonna share the link of Instagram page also. And check this, you can gift it to your parents also. It prevents you from skin cancer, and from aging early. So sunscreen is a must. Do try this always, because the name says always protect you. So sunscreen is very important. Try these 2 products. It's also very hydrating, very good for oily skin people, because it contains neem, arabica coffee oil, and aloe vera. Aloe vera is my favorite home care product. I usually apply aloe vera at night also. So I hope you love this video. Okay, now I'm going to quickly go for a party. You all enjoy, and please share this video, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon also. Take care, फिर मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए